So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, welcome to the speaking session of IELTS exam. My name is Aman. So, I'm your interview today. So, let me know your name first.
My name is Arpandeep Kaur.
Okay, so Arpandeep Kaur. So, in the speaking session, there are three parts. The first one is introduction, and second is cue card. I will give you one cue card, and you have to speak for at least 2 minutes continuously. And after that, we are having a discussion part, which will be related to the cue card. Okay, so let's talk about the intro question. So, do you believe in God?
Yes, ma'am, I do believe because there are certain parts of life when I have to, and that's why I believe in God.
Okay, so why do people of your country believe in God?
Actually, ma'am, I belongs to Punjab, which is basically known for their ethic and rituals. I belongs to religious family, and everyone in my country they believe in God because they think that God is everywhere and they made us. So that's why everyone believes in God.
Okay, so what do you think about the people who did not have any belief in God?
Everyone have their own point of view, ma'am. I can say about anyone that they are their issues and point of view. So I don't think everyone believe in God. It's just in this modern time, not everyone is showing their point of view clearly, so we can judge someone.
Okay, so is it a good idea to believe in one God?
I don't think so, ma'am, because we have to respect all the religion, and that's our ethicals and values teach us. And I also believe that we have to respect every religion because every religion have their own rituals and their own ethics. So that's what I believe in.
Okay, so in modern era, do belief of people in God will remain constant?
In the upcoming time, people may believe more than this because the time period and everything is just situations are going to change. People start believing God more than this time.
Okay, Arpan, so let's move to the cue card. So this is your cue card. Describe the movie you would like to share with your friends. As I said, you only have 1 minute, so make down your ideas on your notebook. Okay. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Start speaking.
I love Kismet movie because this is entertainer and it's quite emotional as well. So that's why I like this movie. And I watched it in Al Mall of Amritsar. I watched it with my friends. We all have get together for a party, and then we decided to watch a movie. And basically, that's Kismet movie. It is a love story, and it is also about a girl who obey to his father, and also very also love his her ethical values. And I want to share to my groups. I also want to share this with my group because this is kind of an emotional movie, which is also teach us the value of our environment, of our family, that how to obey to our family and parents. So that's why I want to share this movie with my friends and family as well.
Okay, so let's move to the discussion part. So, do you like to watch movies?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Because it diverts our mind and it's kind of a relaxation and a meditation too. That's why I like to watch movies.
Okay, so do movies inspire people?
Yes, ma'am, they do. Because when we hear something from the people, we can't just put our ear on that. So when we saw a movie that is basically in a section parts, and there we decide and we get emotional because they are tragic and emotional. So we learn something from movies. So that's why
Yes.
it's crucial.
Why do people watch movies?
For the relaxation of mind and because nowadays the burden of workload and the study, so basically we need something to jubilate our mind, so that's why they should watch movies.
So, what kind of movies do you prefer to watch?
I prefer emotional movies and love stories because they teach us so many things. They teach us the importance of our family, and when we love someone, that also makes us to understand about the certain things. So that's why I prefer
Okay, so do you
emotional
like to watch movies in the theaters or in the home?
I like to watch movie in the theater because we basically due to the workload, everyone is just busy in their own life, and when we plan something, so it's not basically planned in the home as well because of the sound and the screen. So that's why I prefer theater because of the sound volumes and the screen. So that's why.
So, do you think that watching movies in the theaters is quite expensive?
It's quite expensive nowadays because of the GST and the taxes, because that's why they're quite expensive, but it's on their budget.
Okay, Arpan, so your speaking session is over. Thank you so much.